Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a keratin treatment on Irene. We're going to be using the Mocha Silk on her. So we're going to start off first by parting her hair into 4 sections. We're going to have the 2 in the front and then 2 in the back. If it's easier for you, you can just have one big section in the back. So Irene has really thick hair. We're gonna take small sections just to make sure everything gets coated evenly. I'm gonna start off by spraying at the roots and combing through. So we're doing the Mocha Silk on Irene because she has coarse hair. It's very dry, so she needs that extra moisture. It's gonna reduce up to 90% of the curl, eliminate 100% of the frizz, and then give her very shiny hair and make it much easier for her to manage. So before you apply the keratin treatment, you want to make sure to clarify your client's hair about 2 to 3 times. And then you're gonna rough dry it until it's 100% dry. After you rough dry it, you guys can go ahead and apply the keratin treatment. Then we're gonna blow dry that into the hair until it's 100% dry again, and then we'll go over it with a flat iron. The whole process should take about 90 minutes to 2 hours, depending on the thickness and the length of your client's hair. Alright, as soon as I finish this last section, we're going to blow dry her hair until it's 100% dry. We don't need a brush or anything, we're just going to use our fingers. And we're going to do the flat iron portion. When we do the flat iron, we're going to get the roots, the mid shafts, and the ends 7 times. And we're gonna do it on 450 degrees. Alright, so we're gonna go in with our Lasio Pro Straight Flat Iron. The plates are 100% ceramic, which is needed for this treatment. Ceramic will actually protect the hair from the 450 degree heat. And this can be found on both the Pro and retail website. So I'm going in with the open and close method. Basically just to heat up the keratin and fully seal it into the cuticle, and I'm going to hit the roots, the mid shafts, and the ends 7 times each. You want to make sure that you don't forget about the ends, otherwise they're going to have frizzy ends. So because Irene has so much hair, we're going in with thinner sections just to make sure the heat is evenly applied to every subsection. now we're done with the Mocha Silk treatment. Alright, so that's the end of Irene's Mocha Silk treatment. She's gonna go home and wash it out within 24 hours of her service. For any of your clients that receive a Lasio Keratin treatment, just make sure they wash out using sodium chloride free shampoo and conditioner. You can find that either on our pro or retail website. And then Irene, how was your service?
It was amazing. The look is great, it's transformative, and piece of cake.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.